How to download Zoom app on your PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install Zoom application on your PC or laptop, then first check your internet connection. Once you've checked, now you can simply go for Microsoft Store. So you can go for the search and then search for Microsoft Store. And here you will have this Microsoft Store application. Click on open and open your application. Once you've opened, now here on the upper side you will have the search. Tap on the search and then search for Zoom. Once you've searched, here you will have your Zoom application. So if you want to download and install, then simply tap on install and it will start the install process, or it will start the download process. And it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once it's downloaded, you will have open option. And here it has been installed. And once it's installed, remove that and then you can search for Zoom now. Here you will have your Zoom, click on open, and that's it. Your Zoom application has been installed. So that's how you can install, or that's how you can download Zoom application on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.